how to add Xender videos in iPhone gallery. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So when I open up Xender right here, as you can see that I have a sample video right here. But when you download a video from Xender, you will not be able to see it directly in your Photos app in your iPhone. So what you want to do is to just simply go to your files folder. So I'll just search up for files right here. I'll just open it up. And then from here, you can either go to your recents page right here, or what you can do is go to browse, click on my iPhone. Afterwards, just go to Xender, click on other, and then just click on downloads. And then from here, you'll get to see all of your downloaded videos right here. So in here, I have one sample download video. So what you want to do is to just simply long click or press the video, just drag it around, exit out of files, go to your photo gallery in your iPhone, and then I have a sample album right here. So I'll just drag and drop it right here in this album. And then there you go, we now have the video in our iPhone gallery. And then there you go, we now have the video in our iPhone gallery. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add Xender videos in iPhone gallery.